So what we have here is an egg, but it's not just an ordinary egg. It is a 4-pound ostrich egg that has the yield of 2 dozen regular chicken eggs or 48 quail eggs. I made that last part up, I don't know. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut the top off, we're gonna dump it in this bowl. We're going to enjoy its rich flavor and multiple health benefits. But first, we need to wear our eye protection because getting into this bad boy, gonna take a little extra. So here we go. Oh, buddy. Whoops.
What happened?
Just go to the screen.
Daddy, you gotta clean this area up. It's so gross.
Yeah, that is pretty gross. You're right. All right, ostrich guts everywhere. Okay, so that was pretty cool. What we're gonna do now, we've got this massive egg in all its glory here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add, about 2 ounces of butter, raw, in little pieces. One on the chef, pow, just eyeballing it. And what goes best, we don't have any chives. So, I'm gonna go old school. I'm gonna hold this and we're gonna crank. Crank, crank, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going to 10, 8, 9, 10. Add a bit of pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna fork it all together. We put it in our pan. God, this yolk is vibrantly yellow. I've read that scallions go well. We're gonna cook it. Oh, we don't have any scallions. We're gonna cook it at a nice low heat. So, got my pan going behind me. Take a little butter from the sides. Slap it in the pan. Chocolate. Let that spread around a bit. All right, so butter's in pan's nice and hot. Whoosh. That is a lot of egg right there. Yep. Right, so we are cooking now. Butter's melting in there. We've got a big yield. And yeah, it does look like it's about 2 dozen eggs in this one. We're just gonna give it a stir. Cook these eggs low and slow. Hi. Okay, so we are serving our ostrich egg this evening with a side of skirt steak and broccoli florets, peas, classic tomato mozz salad. Just put it on the plate there. Messy presentation, but that's all right. Okay, so we're gonna top this with a little bit of crema, which is basically just sour cream and water, and smoked paprika. And then we're gonna see how she tastes. I'm gonna grab my backup fork. All right, and my producer giving me, yeah. Here we go, ostrich eggs. Are incredibly rich and flavorful and quite delicious. I'm a fan. What do you think, buddy? Chow down on the healthy stuff. I can dig it.